It's here, finally. The iPhone SE has just been announced by Apple. John Prosser has said that it would be released for the past couple of weeks on this date, and today is the 15th, and he's not wrong, it is there up on the Apple website. This is one of these phones that has been spoken about for years, and the anticipation for this release has been high for the past 2 or 3 years, and now it is finally here. We can have a look at what this new iPhone offers. The naming of the iPhone really makes sense because it's replacing the iPhone SE that we've had for a couple of years, and it's just taking that name placehold. There's been a few leaks over the past couple of weeks of this phone being leaked on the Apple Store, then them taking down the Apple Care, and then some other places getting cases in and everything like that. But now the important thing is it is here. So let's take a look at some of the specs that this iPhone offers. The design of the phone is pretty familiar. We've seen it before on the iPhone 6, the iPhone 7, and the iPhone 8. And the iPhone SE is looking the exact same. The iPhone SE starts at £399. Then if you're looking to get the higher storage, the price goes up just a little bit. And the colours that we're getting on this iPhone SE are silver, and of course we're getting that black colour. There's also a product red version of this as well. Let's have a look at some of the specs that this iPhone SE comes with, and we'll start with the camera. So the camera on this phone is a 12 megapixel single lens, and we didn't expect this to have anything other than a single camera lens. We didn't think it'd have a wide angle or a telephoto or anything like that, but the photos that this phone will take, because of the A13 Bionic chip that it has installed and also the camera software, will look absolutely superb. Then when we go to have a look at the screen, it's still got an LCD display, which we totally expected this iPhone to have. It's not priced high enough to have a screen that looks any better, but the iPhone 11 has an LCD screen, and the iPhone SE will look just as good. I mentioned it a second ago, and this phone has that A13 Bionic chip, which the brand new iPhones have. That means that this phone will be so quick. And if you're upgrading from an SE or the iPhone 7, then you're going to see a massive jump in how quick the phone can be. Also, as a surprise, this phone comes with wireless charging. This is something we weren't expecting to see. And as this phone has that wireless charging, this makes the phone even more of a bargain. And if I didn't already have the iPhone 11, this looks like the perfect phone to buy. The iPhone SE also comes with Touch ID, which at the moment is something brilliant because a lot of people are wearing face masks due to what's going on in the world. And also the fact that some people just aren't ready to upgrade to Face ID just yet. The iPhone SE is priced perfectly, especially for people that want to upgrade from older iPhones and just don't want to spend £900, £1,000 on some of the newer phones. And with this one, I think it's going to really help a lot of people try and get closer to what those phones are without having to spend the money. It could completely flop, this iPhone, because the timing to release any new device is not great at the moment. But I think Apple have probably stumbled on something which might end up being a bit of a gold mine. I think if you're upgrading from the iPhone 6 or the iPhone 7 or maybe the SE, then this will be absolutely fantastic, especially at that starting price point. And let me know if you're going to buy this phone, and let me know what you're upgrading from if you are. If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel, also hit the like button. And until next time, see you later.